Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this LED board that I just received. So I'm going to show you first what comes in the box. So first we just have the manual, and then it comes with this flip book of all these different designs that you can follow. Of course you don't have to, but it's just nice to have. And then it comes with the board itself, which is just like this. I'm going to show you how it works later, but this is just an overview of how it looks like in general. And then it comes with a bottle. We just filled it up with water. I'll show you what it's for, and a microfiber towel. And then it just comes with the USB-C charger and 5 different markers. So now I'm going to show you how to work it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how this works. So first, this is your board. It comes with these to put on your table so it stays. And what you do is you just hold this power button. And now it's on and lighting up. You can do different colors. There's a effect where it's just like colors after colors, like a rainbow. So next, this is optional. You could just start coloring or drawing now, but I'm going to choose a random page. Let's say I want to do these unicorns. You put it under just like this, and then you take any one of your markers. These are the colors. Say I want green. You open it, and then it's super cool. It's like a LED, and you could just draw, just so nice. And I love how you could just change the colors. So look, now it's green, now it's blue. So you could just keep changing these. Of course, you have more colors. And then the reason why you have this bottle is you could just spray it here or onto your towel. I just spray it on here and you wipe it off. So it's like unlimited drawing and coloring. So there you go. Okay, so over here there are dimming options. You have 25, 50, 75, and 100. So if you double press, it will change the lighting. So now we're on 100 and now we're back to 25. So that's double tapping. Then to just single click, you change the color. And then of course, if you hold it, it just turns it off. So overall, this is just a super fun activity that's not messy. So if you're looking for anything for you or your kids, I would definitely recommend giving this a try.